Alright, so there was the brand new Carrier Comfort heat pump firing up. See, it's pretty noisy actually. There we go. It's got a Bosch motor. You see this is an A2L R454B heat pump. It's really nice and warm. Really hot right there. This unit was manufactured in the 13th week of 2025, and it's a 4-ton. I like how they put the data sheet on the side here, not on the corner, not the side here. It's got a LG scroll compressor. You can see the 1.5 tons running right now. It's the 5 ton, it's not running at the moment. I'll maybe try to get stock with this unit. I didn't want to get one of this one since you guys just know I got this one back in May. This one back in October. But I had to get this one since it's a brand new unit. So, yeah. There we go. That sounds better. Alright. So yeah. There's the brand new 2025 4-ton Carrier Comfort Series heat pump starting up and running in heat mode. So yeah, I'll maybe try to get a defrost cycle this one sometime this winter. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.